Day 3 and 4 in Florida, Orlando. I just put all this stuff together. Today, it's gonna be different. We're gonna go to the swamp and do kayaking and canoeing with the gators. No, for real, with the gators. Baby, are you excited to go swimming with the gators, baby?
Of course not.
We're gonna go like canoeing and kayaking, but we heard there's like gators while you're swimming, so we don't really know how we feel about that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. We're about to go kayaking. This stuff. It's gonna be fun. Maybe. As long as there's no gators like swimming with us and stuff. Right, baby? I wonder if I can use my phone over there. I don't know, I'm not sure. See guys? This place. Kayaking. Look, it's kind of cool. See that? I'll be back when we're in there. You guys gotta check out this place. Of course, I still got Jimmy and Tyler right there. Hi, and Emma. I gotta check this out. Look at this. This looks amazing. I don't know what you guys think. Malachi said it's like Jurassic Park waiting to happen, but I don't know. I think it's cool. You gotta check it out. Look at this.
We're gonna get something to eat somewhere else.
It's pretty dope.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'll be back when we have our canoes and stuff. Yo.
Exciting.
Go ahead. Okay. Be, forward, Be. Be forward. Be, no. Dito. Dito.
Oh.
Kanan doon.
I'm facing the wrong one. Oh. Bakit papunta doon, Ben? I don't know.
We're now canoeing. Look what we're canoeing.
I could just influence the pinnacle of a nuisance when I'm living in the miracle, sitting killing you lose. Take a minute while I dream of a singular moment when my fucking stars will align in these bars. You will find a fucking hack to the cheat code. Stay with a chip on my fucking shoulder, looking over like I'm worried if I ever would just snap on a beast mode. Tackling each road, dimming the vividness of my vision as he detonates the air. We up on fuse, mission impossible when I bend it and I'm dropping these Japanese pearly bullets. I got scared when your Tom Cruise player in the wrong news, thinking that you're on my side. But we know you're a pariah, right, little bitch. Fuck the humility. I'ma get rich and ain't none of you billing me. Patting my shit so you run like my minimies. Paying for clicks, better duck from my simile. Stop all the laughing, little boy, you ain't popping 30. Just walk before you get to hop on the walk, motherfucker. That you should be peeping. Get going, get back to the crap that you sleep in. It runs from the outside. You cannot become what we have been. I know good is what you think you say, but this continent you love is what we bled to keep. Kapag bumukas aking bibig, mga letrang nakatiin kahit bingi mabibilib kahit wala na siyang panilig. Kaya nga buksan mo na ang mata mo para bulaga tayo ito. Nawa sa kanyang paningin at akin ang nagdilim. Mga guru-guruan nyo, puro mga bobo. Wala pa rin modo at kung todo-todo inyong panunok. So tisa-tisan yung ramdam kong asentado. Para kayong gago, ako'y makaluma, kayo'y makabago. Iyak ka na lang kung isa ka sa mga hindi nakatago. Bago na kung bago sa pagpasok sa eksenang napuno ng mema. Meron ng bolera sa amin sa pagkwenta. Salot sa akong pera, gagang buskadera. Kahit palit-palitin pa ang tema ng kanyang kinakasabik na pag-entra. Kapikian niya, daig pa ang hena. Teka lang boss, 5-4-3-2, sunahan ko na nga ba si kamatayan gamitin ng asbestos. Singapin nyo lang ang lahat ng buga ng aking purat na katatangi sa lalamunan nyo pepektos. Y'all can't begin to think what we went through. I know all OGs can agree. All of you should thank us for keeping this shit together. But nah, y'all stay pushing us. Keep going, see where that gets you.
Sorry about that. We don't know how to drive.
Been there, done that.
We're struggling how to drive with these things.
Try going back upriver.
Oh no.
Oh, shit. I don't know kung saan ka po.
Yan, dyan. Pag dito ako, dyan ka.
Oh my God, may lumalang ko eh. Hindi, ayun oh, maliliit. Be, basan mo ka. Huwag mong dalhin dyan.
Legend,
Ano
learn
ba
this.
yan?
Dito, be, sa kaliwa. Be, dito.
No. We're not going in there.
Be, paano ko, be, para hindi mo tayo, be. Pag gusto mong lumiko ng kanan, sa kaliwa, magpahalo. Pag gusto mong lumiko ng kaliwa,
Where are all the gators?
okay, stop it for a
Saan naman
minute.
tayo pupunta eh?
Ito.
We
Wait,
found the
wait.
turtle.
Okay, kaliwa, be. Go.
We found the turtle. Pretty turtle. Yay, that turtle.
Nakakatakot naman itong mga.
Sa kaliwa ka.
Ang dali kasi kailangan mo mag-break.
Come here.
Look at me, baby. I'm the narrator. Turn around.
Huh?
Video me. Did you guys know that it's hard to paddle?
Wait. I gotta fix the camera.
We don't even know when to turn. Stop, baby, stop. Baby, stop. Okay, go, baby. Uh-oh, watch it. Watch your hands, Sky.
Jeez. We just got hit.
To hit them to steer us back on course. You keep throwing us off course.
Okay, left, baby, left. It's hard to paddle, though.
Did you guys see it?
Yeah. We're coming in there, though.
Alligator.
Huwag ka masyadong malapit. Nakikita mo naman.
Oh, yeah?
Diba natatakot
They
sila?
run and then we miss it, so I would take this
Alligator.
If you don't
opportunity.
mess with it, like that's what I was saying. Like it's just usually on the branches.
Yeah.
So if you don't
Yeah, they don't attack.
Alright, just wanted to go there.
Try to turn us around.
Take a picture and video style.
Alright, paddle on the right.
That's nice.
You got it?
Yeah. I can't go that way.
We got another gator sighting, but they're little. They're like this big. However, they still have this like big bite. Go ahead, Sky. Show 'em. Just hang it out in the tree. All right, we'll be back. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a gator like right behind me right there. See it? And we're like right here. All of us right there. Just chilling. Whee! This is kind of fun. This is fun. Anyways, I'll be back soon.
I can't go that way.
We got another gator sighting, but they're little. They're like this big. However, they still have this like big bite. Go ahead, Sky. Show 'em. Just hang it out in the tree. All right, we'll be back.